Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurin Ain Kaisara binti Nur Azmi. My metric number is 2025143979. I'm going to show you the formula for compound interest. The formula for compound interest is S equal to P in bracket 1 plus K over M, power of MT. S is equal to future value, P is equal to principal, K is equal to annual nominal interest rate, M is equal to number of compounding periods per year, T is equal to time in years. Question 1. Puan Roy wishes to invest his money in a fixed deposit account. She has two options. Bank A offers an interest rate of 5.5% compounded every 4 months. Bank B offers an interest rate of 5.3% compounded every 3 months. The first question is, in which bank would you suggest Puan Roy to invest if she wants to have an amount of Rm30,000 in her account at the end of 3 years? Give your reasons and show your workings. The second question is, if Puan Roy invests Rm12,500 in Bank A for 7 years and 8 months, what is the amount of interest obtained when the investment period ends? The third question is, Puan Roy wishes to invest Rm28,000 in Bank A. Her target is to accumulate Rm60,000 by the end of maturity period. How long should she wait to reach that amount?
Hello everyone, my name is Nur Fatin Alia Natasha binti Azman. My metric number 2025168297. Firstly, I want to discuss about question 1 about compound interest. In which bank would you suggest Puan Roy to invest if she want to have an amount of 30,000 in her account at the end of 3 years? Give your reason and show your working. The formula is S equal P in bracket 1 plus I power N. Answer for Bank A, P is Rm2,546 and 17 cents. Answer for P Bank B is 25,616 ringgit and 94 cents. The conclusion for this question is Bank B is the better choice because Bank B more than Bank A, which is Rm5,616 and 94 cents.
I will explain to you the second question. If Puan Roy invests Rm12,500 in Bank A for 7 years and 8 months, what is the amount of interest obtained when the investment periods end? Formula for this question is S equal to P in bracket power of N. P is equal to Rm12,500. R is equal to 0.055. M is equal to 3. T is equal to 7 years and 8 months. But we have to change it to years. So 7 years plus 8 over 12 equal to 7.67 years. The calculation is S equal to 12,500 in bracket 1 plus 0.055 over 3 power of 3 multiply 7.67 equal to Rm 18,987 and 7 cents. Now we have to calculate the interest earned. The formula for interest is I equal to S minus P. S is equal to Rm 18,987 and 7 cents. P is equal to Rm 12,500. So I is equal to Rm 18,987 and 7 cents minus Rm 12,500 equal to Rm 6,487 and 7 cents.
My name is Nuri Adana binti Mama Azrai. My metric number is 2025185691. I will explain the answer for the following question. Puan Rohaya wishes to invest 28,000 ringgit Malaysia in Bank A. Her target is to accumulate Rm60,000 by the end of maturity period. How long should she wait to reach the amount? Before we start our calculation, let's identify the information from the question. First, the formula is S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I power N. S is the future value, which is Rm 60,000. P is the present value, which is Rm 28,000. K is annual nominal rate, which is 5.5% equal to 0.055. M is frequency of conversion, which is 3. Now, we can put in all of the information into the formula. However, for this question, we are required to use the logarithm equation in order to find n. So that means 60,000 equal to 28,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.055 over 3 power n. In order to do the log, we need to move the bracket equation to the front and 60,000 moves to the back, which meant 1.0183 n equal to 60,000 over 28,000. Now, we can do the log, which is n log 1.0183 equal to 60,000 over 28,000. N need to be moved to the front, so the equation become n equal to log 2.1429 over log 1.0183. So the answer for this is n equal to 42.03. But this is not the n, because that is just the answer for n. We need to find the time in years. As we may know, m times t equal to n. N is 42.03 and for the m is 3. The calculation is 3t equal to 42.03. To find the t, we need to move the 3 to the back, which meant 42.03 over 3 and t equal to 14.01. The answer for t is 14.01. In conclusion, Puan Rohaya should wait approximately 40 years to reach her target amount.
The formula for annuity is S equal to R in bracket 1 plus I power of n minus 1 over I. S is for future value of annuity, the total amount accumulated after all payments and interest. R is for regular payment amount, each annuity payment. I is for interest rate per period, for example, annual rate or compounding period. N is for total number of payments, number of period. Question 2. Zamri makes regular monthly deposits of RM. Choose any value of your preference. At the end of every month in an account that pays interest at 5.5% compounded monthly. The first deposit was made on his 20th birthday and the last deposit will be when he is 55 years old. The first question is determine the accumulated value in his account when he reached the age of 55 years old. The second question is immediately after his last deposit, Zamri withdraws 25% of the accumulated value from the account. Then, a monthly amount is withdrawn from the balance for the next 10 years to zero balance. Find this monthly withdrawal amount.
Question 1I is determine the accumulated value in his account when he reached the age of 55 years old. Firstly, you guys must calculate the years, which is 55 years minus 20 years equal to 35 years. S equal to R in bracket again 1 plus I power n minus 1 over I. After that, you can use that formula to calculate, which is 200 open bracket again 1 plus 0.055 over 12 close bracket power 12 multiply 35. After that, minus 1 over 0.055 over 12 close the bracket. Total answer for the question is RM 254,184 and 69 cents.
I will explain the answer for the following question. Immediately after his last deposit, Zamri withdrew 35% of the accumulated value from the account. Then, a monthly amount is withdrawn from the balance for the next 10 years to zero balance. Find this monthly withdrawal amount. First, we need to find the remaining balance of the withdrawn 25%. 100% minus 25% equal to 75%. 75% is the percentage of the remaining balance of the withdrawn 25%. So, 0.75 times RM 254,184.69 cents equal to RM 160,638.52 cents. This is the remaining balance. Now, using the formula A equal to R in brackets, 1 minus in brackets, 1 plus I power negative n over I. A is RM 190,638.52 cents equal to R 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.055 over 12 power negative n over 0.055 over 12. Move the R to the front and we got R equal to 160,638.52 over in brackets 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.055 over 12 power negative n over 0.055 over 12. We calculate the equation and we got the answer as RM 2,068.93 cents. So, in conclusion, the monthly withdrawal amount over next 10 years is RM 2,068.93 cents.
That's all from us. Thank you.